Safe Ship Moving Services pricing explained what you get for your money. Safe Ship Moving Services isn't just a moving company. You won't believe how they combine security, efficiency, and flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming flat rate moving is always cheaper, but the surprising truth is Safe Ship offers customized pricing based on distance, size, and additional services. Local moves often start around for small loads, while long-distance moves can range from 0 to 0 or more depending on weight and distance. Optional services like packing, storage, and insurance add to the cost but provide peace of mind. Most people overlook that professional packing and handling reduces damage risk, potentially saving hundreds in replacement costs. Safe Ship also provides online tracking and transparent communication. You won't believe how much easier it makes coordinating schedules, especially for moves involving multiple stops or special items. In conclusion, Safe Ship Moving Services pricing reflects a combination of tailored moving solutions, security, and convenience. For anyone seeking a stress-free move with professional handling, the value comes not just from transportation but from peace of mind, efficiency, and reliable service.